What is ChatGPT? It's an AI that you can write to and you can ask it questions like you're speaking to another human and it will reply to you in a way that no one can tell that it's AI. It's mad. Something's happening if they can cross 1 million users in just 5 days, when it took Instagram 3 months, it took Spotify 5 months, Facebook 10 months, Twitter 2 years, and Netflix 3.5 years. And they've done it in 5 days. So you can use this as your own virtual assistant. Here are a few questions that I've been asking it. So I asked it to create a fitness plan for the week to work all areas of the body and have at least 2 days for strength, 2 days cardio, and 1 day of yoga. And it fully mapped it out. And then I asked it to put it in a table, super easy. Then I asked it to create a meal plan from this, and on those strength training days, have high protein. And it did it. So you can ask it to do it in any dietary requirements that you have. And then you can ask it to create a grocery list from all of those recipes, and it lists it out for you. And then you can make it even simpler, right? Just by having the individual ingredients listed. It can write code, it can fix code. If you're in school right now, I don't think you'll ever have to do your homework again. People have been using it to do all kinds of complicated maths questions. I don't even understand what the question is, let alone the answer to that. It can write essays for you, right? So I asked, how are race and gender used in Brave New World? And it gave a nice summary. I wasn't happy though. I said, make it longer. It just does it. I saw someone put Netflix's earnings report into it, and normally it's language that people don't understand, but it can translate the earnings report into an easy to read bullet points. I asked it to write song lyrics about Bitcoin in the style of SpongeBob SquarePants. It did it amazingly well. I asked it to script out an episode of The Simpsons where Donald Trump boxes Homer and then Ned Flanders comes in and KOs both of them. Did that, no problems. So there are some problems with it, like it's not connected to the internet, which means that you can't ask it questions like, give me a list of events happening in this city in this month. And the other problem is, it can tell you incorrect information and say it confidently. This is going to be less of a problem as time goes on, because it's learning from every single query that people give it, and it's only going to get smarter. It's not going to get dumber. What this has done is drastically lower the skill level needed to write. I know that I'm not an expert writer, and I don't need to be anymore. What I do need to know is just how to talk to it. That is the new skill. People that are using all of these AI tools together to create something 10 times better, 10 times quicker, 10 times cheaper than what is currently possible right now.